What is this thing, oh? So this is why you children are not paying attention.
I'm coming. Just wait.
As long as you are doing what you said you were going to do on that video of yours, 2018, keeping it clean or whatever, I will let you get back to doing this tube you or chap snaps or whatever you people want to call this.
Will you just get off my camera?
This thing. Hey, you're looking good, man.
Yes, you look cute.
Yes, you're looking fine. Fine girl, no pimples. Okay, maybe one, but it's okay. Blessed.
Get off camera.
So sorry. That might have been a little awkward. That was my aunt. She kind of crazy, but I love her though. She's staying with me this year, you know, just to kind of keep me in check and make sure that I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing. Also, you know, just to keep me motivated. So if she pops in every once in a while, don't mind her, because she likes to like hack all of my social channels. Like she'll be on my Snapchat sometimes and I'm just like, girl. But that is not what this video is about. We will go into a get to know me thing later on. This video that I wanted to do today was stepping into what I was talking about with the clean 2018 thing, and I'm going in with products that I have held on to for, I don't even know why I've held on to them, or I have forgotten about because I have so many things. And today's product is going to be TreStique. I don't know if you've ever heard of them. I like the idea of them having kind of like these mini like looks in shadow sticks and also jumbo sizes that you can kind of take around. Anyway, let's just get into it and let me show you what I'm talking about. This is it right here. This is part of their Orchid Baroque Collection. It's really pretty. The packaging is super cute. It opens up like this. This comes with 2 mini lip crayons and 2 mini eyeshadows and 1 highlighter. So I'm gonna do a couple swatches. Maldives Iridescent, Nantucket Nude, Chile Red, Venetian Gold, Aspen Pine. These are all 5 of the colors right here. Let's get started. First things first, I'm gonna go in with the Venetian Gold. This is a really pretty gold color, and I'm just going to apply that to my main lid and then go from there. I wanted to see if it layers, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. These are very, very soft. Very easy to blend out. Don't tug at all. Now that being said, if you want like a very like precise line with these, you're not gonna get it. This is more of like just shadow. So if you're looking for something to give you that precise line, you're not gonna get it with this. This 2018, are y'all doing what you wanted to do? Are you making money moves? Or, you know, are you still making excuses? If you are making excuses, I would like to say that I think you should definitely not, obviously, and just do it. Like I said, seize the day, you know, carpe diem. You only get one life, so you might as well make it worthwhile. You know, I have no clue what I am doing, and I think that's what's making this so much fun. It's one of those things where if you just do it scared, you're going to end up being in a better place. Trust me. You'll love yourself for it. There's no point in waiting for that perfect time. Like I said, it just doesn't exist. Use it or lose it. That's what I'm doing this year. Use it or lose it. It's gonna be a new motto that I'm going to adopt. I mean, that didn't really do anything. I would use this one more as maybe a nose highlight, but not a cheek highlight. Take some and put some on my inner corner. Now I'm going to do my setting. Guys, this is a little light. We gonna keep going. Oh, and it has a smell. This is the lip crayon? On its own. I'm gonna see what it looks like with this on it. This is Chile Red. Mixed together, it's not a bad color. I'm gonna try it just with the red. Yes! Ooh. Look at it, look at it. Look at it, look at it. Chile, child! How much do they give you? That's like a day. I just keep putting it on. It feels so nice. This one doesn't have a smell. The nude one had a smell. Guys, look at that. Now I'm going to do my hair. I'll come back with the completed look after. Thanks for watching, guys. It's always a pleasure. And like I said, get clean for 2018. Go out there and do something. Who cares if it's wrong? Who cares if it's messed up? Who cares if it's not straight? Keep working at it until you get it better. All right, love you guys. Bye. Jamaica and Tim here.